Welcome back to Speak Up with Annie. Congratulations, this is day 10 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. So, if you have been here for all 10 days, 10 days of consistency, that already means your English is definitely changing, even if you're not feeling it. Okay? It is. Today, we work on a skill that makes conversations flow, which is thinking fast and responding quickly in English. If you have been following each day nicely and practicing what I've asked you to do, this is the next step. You would say that I'm very slow. I am thinking. Yes, I've started thinking in English, but yet I'm very slow. So today we learn how to think fast and how to respond quickly in English. पहली चीज है वाई वी फ्रीज वाइल आंसरिंग. क्यों हम लोग फ्रीज हो जाते हैं आंसर देते टाइम. Many learners understand English perfectly. They would say, I understand what you're saying very nicely, but I freeze when I have to start answering. When someone asks me a question, I freeze. Why? Maybe because you search for the perfect answer. Maybe you don't want yourself to look bad. You try to translate or you panic. Fluent speakers don't give perfect answers, they give quick and simple answers. और वही हमारा आज का गोल है. 3 स्टेप फास्ट रिस्पॉन्स फॉर्मूला हम आज सीखेंगे. पहला स्टेप है रिएक्ट. वन वर्ड. यस, नो, वेल, एक्चुअली, श्योर. So you have to react with one word. That's the first step. Second step is answer simply. Just one short sentence. Third step is add one detail. Just one, not more. For example, if I ask you, do you like reading? You say yes. Pehla reaction. Then answer simply in the second statement. You can say, I enjoy reading. And third, you add one little detail. It helps me relax. Very fast, very natural, very confident. Yes, I enjoy reading. It helps me relax. Common fast response starters हम लोग सीखते हैं आज, ठीक है. So which are the most common starters जो people use करते हैं अपनी daily conversations में? Let's learn them. Repeat after me. Yes, I do. Number 1. Very common fast response starter. कोई भी आपको क्वेश्चन आ रहा है तो आप एक फास्ट सा रिस्पॉन्स कैसे स्टार्ट करोगे? Yes, I do. Second, no, not really. Third, actually, yes. Fourth, well, sometimes. Fifth, it depends. Sixth, I'm not sure. Please repeat after me. These starters save time and they reduce pressure because you've already started giving your response. स्पीड प्रैक्टिस. स्पीड प्रैक्टिस कैसे करना है? आपने हमेशा जोर से आंसर करना है, ठीक है. आई विल आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस. आंसर क्विकली यूजिंग द 3 स्टेप फॉर्मूला दैट वी लर्नड जस्ट नाउ. रिएक्ट, सिंपल स्टेटमेंट, वन लिटिल डिटेल. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, हाउ वॉज योर डे? आंसर अलाउड. पॉज कर लो वीडियो को और आंसर करो अभी. दूसरा, डू यू इंजॉय लर्निंग इंग्लिश? थर्ड, what are you working on these days? Fourth, do you prefer mornings or nights? So pause the video and answer aloud. No thinking, okay? Just speaking. इसके बाद हम बात करेंगे 5 second rule की. So here's a powerful confidence rule. Answer within 5 seconds. चाहे आप stop watch लगा लो. Even if your answer is simple, just say it. ठीक है? Silence creates fear and speech creates confidence. So remember, simple plus quick is better than perfect and late. If you want to speak इन डेली कॉन्वर्सेशंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, ठीक है, फॉर फास्ट थिंकिंग एंड फास्ट रिप्लाइंग. अब बारी आती है होमवर्क की. सबसे पहला टास्क है आपका फास्ट आंसर ड्रिल. आपने कोई भी रैंडम 10 क्वेश्चंस ज़ोर से आंसर करने हैं विद इन 5 सेकेंड्स ईच. सेकेंड, आपने 3 फास्ट रिस्पॉन्स स्टार्टर्स आज यूज़ करने हैं अपने कॉन्वर्सेशन में. थर्ड, आपका जर्नल प्रॉम्प्ट, एक लाइन लिखनी है आपने, विच इज़ टुडे आई आंसर्ड क्विकली व्हेन आई वाज आस्क्ड डैश. Okay, so this is your day 10. You've completed 10 days of this challenge, and that's very huge. Your fluency, your confidence, and speed are already improving. If you have reached day 10 with me, comment day 10 done. I am thinking faster. Next, in day 11, we move on to storytelling in English. It's going to be really interesting and fun as we move on in our 30-day challenge. So, be with me. So, how to speak longer, smoother, and more confidently. Day 11 में हम करेंगे. This is Annie from Speak Up with Annie. Keep going. Your English is becoming natural.